Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching me today. I'm Sadaf, and today I'm going to be baking a banana bread. I hope that you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
First things first is you want to preheat your oven to 350, and you want to grease or butter your loaf pan. As you can see, I've buttered mine. And we're going to need 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil, 1/4 cup of fresh milk, 1 full teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a cup of honey, and I'm using raw honey. You'll need 3 ripened bananas. As you can see, they're very ripened. That's exactly how we want it. I'm going to use a half a cup of raisins. You can use dried cherries, dried cranberries, nuts, dried dates, any dried fruit you like. And here I have 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. So let's get started. So in my small mixing bowl here, I'm going to mix all my wet ingredients. Starting off with my bananas, I'm going to mash them. And I'm not going to completely mash them until they're like a liquidy texture. I'm going to leave them nice and chunky. So I'm using a wire whisk, as you can see. You can also use a fork. As you can see, my bananas are nice and mashed. I'm going to add in all my wet ingredients. That would be the oil, the honey, the milk, and the vanilla extract, and the eggs. I'm going to make sure the eggs and all the other wet ingredients are properly combined before I incorporate it to the dry ingredients. Moving on to my dry ingredients, I'm going to add my cinnamon, baking soda, and the salt into the flour. And I'm going to whisk those ingredients together, making sure they're all properly combined. I'm going to add in the raisins and the shredded coconut. And whisk those together as well. I'm going to add in all my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients, and I'm going to gently whisk all this together until it's all combined and all incorporated. The texture of the batter should look just like this, and we're going to place this into the loaf pan at this point. I'm going to pop this in the oven for 55 to 60 minutes, and I'll show you how it looks when it comes out. And there we have it, guys. That's how it looks. Delicious, scrumptious, smells so good I can't even explain it to you. Eat this with a little bit of butter on top and accompany it with tea or coffee, whether it be in the morning, whether it be in the evening. This is a wonderful treat to have and to share with family and friends. Enjoy. Let me know how it turned out for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.